Hey guys, good morning. Today is 4th of November, so welcome back to my Assam trip episode 2. So today we have Indian big festivals day which is Diwali, and we are planning to celebrate Diwali in Assam this year. So their way of celebration is a bit different than the other states. They do Rangoli and many other activities, so I'll just take you through the entire day how they celebrate Diwali out here. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, okay, because I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this. Next day, 5th November. Diwali is over. We have decided to visit Shubonshiri Ferry Ghat. 5th of November, guys, we are at Suvanshiri. Suvanshiri is one of the very famous river in India. I guess all of you know geographically it's very famous. So this is one of the tributaries of Brahmaputra. You see how wide it is. It's a very big river actually. Okay, but due to the winter, as you know, the water level is very low here. We can see the sands out there, okay, in the middle of the river. I mean, this is awesome place, seriously amazing. I like to spend more time over here, but unfortunately, you know, due to the limited time, I can't spend much. You see the other side, that is forest kind of, okay. It's land, and I'm not sure if this is visible in the camera or not. You see that side is hill, complete hill. You know, hills are clearly visible from here, but I'm not sure you guys can check that or not. The other side of that hill is Arunachal Pradesh, and the temperature is it goes down like, you know, 5 degree 4 degrees sometimes during winter. So guys, what I was telling you, that you can see those sands in the middle of the river, okay, due to the low water level. So this is the specialty of Assam. Let me tell you guys, this sands, if you see, this is very smooth, and this is white sands. So in most of the places, if you visit the other places also in Assam, the sands are white here. So it is famous for white sands, okay. And also you see the edge of the river, at the river bank, if you see, you can see the cut, okay. Looking at that cut, you can realize that, you know, during the rainy season, the probability of flood is very high here. It happens, and this is why, you know, Brahmaputra is known as, you know, the sorrow, the river of sorrow, river of sadness. When flood comes, this river bank, it actually breaks down, and the water, you know, it enters the village and the entire district and the state. So Brahmaputra is very huge, as all of us we know, and it actually destroys many houses, the village, everything. Many people, they die during the rainy season. So during the rainy season, it's a sign of, you know, scariness. So let me take you to closer to the other side. So I was telling you, right, there is a range of hills. It's clearly visible. I'm not sure still if you can see that, if it is properly captured in the camera or not. I can clearly see the range of hills. So the other side is Arunachal Pradesh, as I told you guys earlier, and this is the plain land. This is the vacant land. I'm not sure if you can hear the you know, wind blow or not. It's extremely beautiful, very, you know, you can find the peace out here actually. And this road is going to the village, okay. So there is no public transport available here, but people can, you know, avail the service of their own vehicle. Even I can see that there are a few people, they're standing out there. Few people are going towards the village. You can see cows and local people, the villagers. So it's an amazing place, guys. I'm really liking this place. Alright guys, so I'll take you to some other locations, some other destinations in Assam. I guess you heard about Majuli. Majuli is one of the famous destinations in Assam. That is the, you know, largest river island in the world. So I'll take you through all those places and few other destinations as well. So I'll give you the complete information, detail about those destinations, how to reach those destinations, those places, and the complete information. I'll take you through the entire location. So stay in touch, don't go anywhere, guys. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Okay, let's go. So we are at Majuli river bank. This is the Majuli island, and alright guys, so this was the history of Ahom dynasty. This was the history of Bengnahati Satra. So we are at Dokinapat Satra.